Welcome back to the Daily Avocado. Now, let me ask you something. What if I told you that the air inside your home is actually more polluted than the air outside, even in major cities? Shocking, right? And here's another kicker. NASA scientists discovered 4 specific plants that can completely transform your indoor air quality in ways that will blow your mind. Before you rush out to buy an expensive air purifier, you need to hear this because one of these plants removes toxins so effectively that it could literally save your life. Today, I'm going to reveal the 4 most powerful air purifying plants that NASA's research has proven to be indoor air quality game changers. And here's the exciting part. 3 of these plants can be found at your local grocery store for under $10, and the 4th one is so surprising that most people throw it away without realizing they're tossing out nature's most potent air filter. Let's start with something that might shock you. Your indoor air contains over 500 different chemical compounds, and many of them are seriously dangerous. We're talking about formaldehyde from furniture, benzene from cleaning products, and trichloroethylene from dry cleaning chemicals. These invisible toxins are floating around your home right now, and yes, you're breathing them in every single day. Back in the late 80s, NASA faced a unique challenge. They needed a way to keep the air clean in space stations where astronauts would live for months at a time. Windows weren't an option, obviously, so they started experimenting with plants. What they discovered completely changed what we knew about indoor air purification. The first plant on our list is probably the last thing you'd expect to be a powerhouse air purifier, the humble spider plant. This little green machine is amazing at removing formaldehyde and xylene from the air. But here's what makes it truly special: it multiplies itself. Those baby spider plants you see? You can replant them and spread them throughout your home for maximum air cleaning power. NASA studies found that a spider plant can remove 95% of toxic chemicals in just 24 hours. Think about that for a second. In one day, this simple plant can eliminate almost all the harmful chemicals in your living space. And here's the best part: it's nearly impossible to kill. Forget to water it for weeks, keep it in low light, it keeps working around the clock to clean your air. Plus, those baby plants it produces make it a gift that keeps on giving. One plant can turn into dozens, allowing you to create a natural air purification network throughout your home for the cost of a single plant. Place them in your bedroom, living room, kitchen, and bathroom, and voila, a 24/7 natural air filter. The second plant is one you probably recognize but may not know has incredible air purifying powers: the snake plant, also called mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is unique because, unlike most plants that only produce oxygen during the day, the snake plant releases oxygen at night, making it perfect for your bedroom. It specializes in removing formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, and toluene from the air. And here's the kicker: it thrives in near darkness and only needs water about once a month. So whether you travel a lot or think you have a black thumb, this plant is virtually foolproof. NASA also found that just one snake plant can purify the air in a 10 by 10 foot room. So if you live in a small apartment or want to focus on your bedroom, a single snake plant is enough. It's like a silent, green air purifier that never needs electricity and costs less than your monthly coffee budget. The third plant is where things get really interesting, and where I'm going to challenge your ideas about houseplants. Say hello to pothos, also known as devil's ivy. This plant is a monster at removing indoor air pollutants, including formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide. If you have a garage attached to your home or live in an urban area, this plant is a lifesaver. What makes pothos special is how versatile it is. It grows incredibly fast and can thrive in water alone, no soil needed. Cut a piece, stick it in water, and it'll start growing roots within days. You can have trailing vines cascading from shelves, hanging from ceilings, or climbing walls, all while purifying your air. Pothos is also efficient because of its large leaf surface area. The bigger the leaves, the more air it can process. It's literally a living, breathing air filter that also adds a lush, decorative touch to your home. And now, for the fourth plant, the one that might blow your mind. Meet the peace lily. This plant doesn't just remove common indoor pollutants, it also eliminates mold spores and bacteria, making it ideal for allergy sufferers or anyone with respiratory issues. It removes ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and even acetone, a chemical found in nail polish remover, paint, and various cleaners. If you've ever felt lightheaded after cleaning or painting, acetone might be the culprit, and the peace lily can help neutralize it. Here's the really amazing part. The peace lily actually signals when your air quality is poor. Its leaves will droop when toxin levels are high, acting as a natural air quality monitor while also producing beautiful white flowers. It's like having a living, breathing air purifier and sensor rolled into one. Here's the takeaway. You don't need expensive air purifiers or complicated systems. Nature already created the perfect solution, and it costs less than a dinner for two. These four plants, working together, can transform your indoor air quality, improve your sleep, boost energy, and potentially reduce long-term health risks associated with indoor pollution. And the best part? You can start seeing noticeable improvements within the first week of bringing these plants into your home. The air feels fresher, your energy levels improve, and your home just feels healthier. So, here's a quick action plan. Start with a spider plant and a snake plant in your main living areas and bedroom. Add a pothos vine somewhere visible, hanging or trailing, and complete the setup with a peace lily to clean the air and monitor toxin levels. Even if you only start with one or two of these, you'll be surprised at the difference it makes. Nature has already provided the tools you need. All it takes is a little attention, some care, and a few strategically placed plants to create a home that's not just beautiful, but healthy, too. Which of these plants are you most excited to bring into your home? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed strategies to upgrade your life, one plant at a time. Here's to cleaner air, healthier living, and a home that actually supports your well-being. Thank you for joining us at the Daily Avocado channel. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our other subscribers. Your daily choices for your health journey will transform your life. We hope to share more videos that empower you to live your best life on your wellness journey. Purifying plants will help you get there. Now go breathe in your fresh new plants.